In lane 1, UCLA's Jersey Arbuckle. Lane 2, UCLA, Green Zang. Lane 3, Notre Dame, Indian Gilliam. Lane 4, Notre Dame's Hollywood Evans. Lane 5, from Louisville, Mother Welsh. Lane 6, IU's Chauncey Miller. Lane 7, UC Joey Fry. Lane 8, Camille Murray from Louisville. Lane 9, Notre Dame's Matthew Nickhouse. And lane 10 from UC, Sonia Oswald. Having lane 5, Mother Welsh, a junior from Louisville. Welch scores on the line. Ella Welch after all, 5th.